Reporting to you live from NGA News, it's your host, Greg. I will be covering the snowstorm today. It is really piling up out there. I'm talking inches, people, not those kinds of inches, okay? We got our reporter Floyd out on the scene. Floyd, how are you doing out there?
Reporting to you live from East New York. Thank you, Craig. It's severely cold out here. I don't even know why I came out here. Yo, tell my supervisor I'm putting in my 2-week notice, cause y'all got me fucked up. It's cold. I done seen 3-4 cars get stuck already. It is crazy out here. Y'all expected me to come out here? Why y'all didn't send a white reporter? Oh my God. East New York, nobody even outside to match. Nothing. Nobody doing anything. I'm the only person outside.
Oh, Floyd, I'm gonna need you to relax there, buddy.
Fuck this. Yo, you lucky I got the daughter and I need this money. I'm probably gonna get fired after this. So if y'all want a real nigga on y'all team, hire me. Cause, oh my God, they got me fucked up. Remote, please.
Okay, cut the people, just watch your backs. It's really cold out there. Stay safe. Reporting live from NGA News, it's your host. Good night.